Efficient and seamless order fulfillment is a critical aspect of running a successful retail business. To streamline the fulfillment process and reduce manual tasks, Shopify POS offers integrated shipping solutions by partnering with shipping providers. By incorporating shipping functionalities directly within the point-of-sale system, retailers can simplify order processing, automate shipping label generation, and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, we will explore the significance and benefits of integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS, highlighting how they optimize the fulfillment process, improve operational efficiency, and drive business growth. Simplifying order processing, integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS simplify the order processing workflow for retailers. By partnering with shipping providers, Shopify POS enables retailers to generate shipping labels directly from the point-of-sale system. This integration eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors during the shipping label creation process. Retailers can automatically retrieve customer shipping information from their Shopify orders, ensuring accurate and consistent data transfer. Furthermore, integrated shipping solutions offer retailers access to a variety of shipping options and rates. Retailers can compare shipping rates from different carriers directly within Shopify POS, allowing them to choose the most cost-effective and reliable shipping method for each order. Automating shipping label generation. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions automate the process of generating shipping labels, streamlining the fulfillment process for retailers. With a few clicks, retailers can create shipping labels and quickly move orders from the processing stage to the shipping stage. By automating shipping label generation, retailers save time and minimize manual labor. This enables them to focus on other essential tasks, such as inventory management, customer service, and business growth. Integrated shipping solutions also offer the convenience of printing shipping labels directly from Shopify POS. Retailers can generate shipping labels, print them on label printers, and attach them to packages, all within the same system. This reduces the need for separate label printing software or manual handwriting of shipping information, ensuring efficiency and professionalism in the fulfillment process. Real-time order tracking and notifications. Integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS provide real-time order tracking and notifications, enhancing transparency and customer satisfaction. Once a shipping label is generated, retailers can automatically update the order status with tracking information. Customers receive email notifications with tracking details, allowing them to monitor the progress of their orders. This real-time order tracking feature keeps customers informed and minimizes inquiries about order status, improving customer satisfaction and reducing customer support workload. Additionally, retailers can also benefit from order tracking functionality within Shopify POS. They can monitor the status of shipped orders, easily access tracking information, and proactively address any potential delivery issues. This level of visibility enables retailers to provide exceptional customer service, promptly resolve delivery concerns, and ensure a smooth fulfillment experience. Integration and scalability. Integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS seamlessly integrate with popular shipping providers such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, and USPS. Retailers can easily connect their Shopify store with their preferred shipping carriers, ensuring reliable and real-time shipping updates. The scalability of integrated shipping solutions allows businesses of all sizes to leverage these functionalities. Whether operating a small online boutique or managing a large-scale retail operation, retailers can streamline their fulfillment process, reduce manual tasks, and provide a consistent shipping experience to their customers. Integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS empower retailers to streamline the fulfillment process, reduce manual tasks, and enhance customer satisfaction by simplifying order processing, automating shipping label generation, and providing real-time order tracking and notifications. Retailers can optimize their operational efficiency, save time, and focus on growing their business. With seamless integration and scalability, Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions offer retailers the tools they need to provide a seamless and professional shipping experience, driving customer loyalty and business success in the competitive retail industry.